The Supreme Court has disposed of a public interest litigation (PIL) seeking menstrual leave for women employees, encouraging the center to initiate discussions with stakeholders and state governments to consider framing a model policy on this issue. The apex court observed that while granting menstrual leave could potentially encourage greater female workforce participation, making it mandatory might inadvertently lead to women facing exclusion from job opportunities. Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi arrived in Imphal, Manipur after visiting a relief camp in Jiribam and flood-affected people in Silchar, Assam. He received a warm welcome from the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) at the Imphal airport. Earlier, he spoke to internally displaced people at the relief camp in Jiribam Higher Secondary School. Before his visit, armed miscreants attacked security forces in the Phaitun area. Gandhi also visited Assam Silchar, stopping at a Thalai in Youth Center in Fulertal to see a relief camp for displaced individuals. 3 of the 4 victims found dead with severe injuries in Umplang, East Jaintia Hills have been identified. Rajesh Rai, 26 from Dharan Sunsari, Koshi Anchal, Nepal, is the latest to be identified. Previously, Ravi Rai, 23 from Ilam, Mechi Pradesh, Nepal, and Nasar Kyandai, 33 from Dhakai East in East Jaintia Hills, were identified. The 4 victims remain unidentified. The bodies were discovered on the morning of July 6 by laborers working behind the Umplang market. Surface communication to several districts in Arunachal Pradesh has been severely disrupted following landslides triggered by heavy rains, officials reported today. The State Disaster Management Department confirmed that landslide in Shi Yomi district claimed the life of 1 person on Friday, adding to a total of 4 fatalities due to natural calamities since April. In an operation this morning in Tobul, Manipur, police assisted by the 37 Assam Rifles apprehended 2 suspected members of the band Kanglai Park Communist Party Taibangamba KCPT involved in extortion. The operation, based on intelligence report of armed youths extorting money through demands letter in Kongjam, led to the capture of Wangjam Mukesh, 41 alias Koba, and Tokjum Ajit, 33 alias Commander. 2 others managed to escape. Authorities recovered 26 demand letters, 2 mobile handsets, and a car used in the illegal activities. The arrested individuals and confiscated items were handed over to Kongjam Police Station for further investigation and legal action. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's sister Kim Yo-jong called South Korea's recent frontline live-fire drills suicidal hysteria. The question is why the enemy kicked off such war drills near border suicidal hysteria, for which they'll have to sustain terrible disaster, she said. The exercises were the first of their kind since South Korea suspended a 2018 agreement with the North. The Global Chess League today unveiled 6 franchises for its second season in London from October 3rd to 12th at Friends House. A new team, American Gambits, owned by Prachura PP, Venkat K. Narayana, and cricketer Ravichandran Ashwin, will debut. Competing teams include Alpine SG Pipers, Ganges Grandmasters, Mumbai Masters, PBG, Alaska Knights, and champions Triveni Continental Kings. Players will compete in a joint team format with 6 players, including 2 top women and a prodigy per team.